What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So y'all, I just grabbed three 14-inch ovals. Let's start with our 3 bows, y'all. All right, we're gonna start with about a 10-inch tail. All right, so we're gonna measure out about 6 inches. All right, we're gonna make our basic X shape. All right, y'all, now we're just making our 1 loop around the centers. Now we're gonna do our little center loop and get a little tail at the bottom. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and just make all 3 bows at one time, because if I was stocking this for my Etsy shop, it's exactly what I would do. All right, get this twisted off. All right, let's make all 3. All right, so we did our 3 bows. All right, I'm just gonna take each of my grapevines and place the bows. All right, so I'm gonna go with the bow here design on each one. All right, we got 1 bow added. Y'all, these are so fresh that they still have green leaves in them. Grab your needle nose. Grab your needle nose. And then work those needle nose through the grapevine till they come out the other side. Open them. Place your pipe cleaner in the needle nose. Give it a little squeeze, and then pull the pliers back out. Nice and quick. So I know I need to cut all this greenery because we're going to use it. Y'all, we're going to use our easy bow maker. Not our easy bow maker, our stem cutter. Because that's what it's for, friends. All done. All right, so let's start at the top. Y'all, we're going to take our greenery and we're just going to kind of beat it up a little bit, right? We don't want it to be perfect. We don't want it to be a straight line. We want it to be nice and beat up. All right. We're gonna go close to the bow and curved around. And I'm tangled up. All right, so right now we're kind of giving our wreath like some bangs, y'all. All right, now we're gonna start going down this side. All right, so we're just building out our base. So up here, down here, just kind of giving it a little bit of a hair, right? Yeah, this greenery was really full, for sure. Let's get one more, kind of a shorter piece, to go right up here, right above, right behind the bow. All right, let's grab our next one. So there's two of our bases done. So there's our three bases. Now we're just going to take one flower stem. So we're going to get one yellow wreath, one pink wreath, and one white wreath. All right, so we've got three stems. We're going to put two towards the bottom and one towards the top. Y'all, we're going light and whimsical. So we're going to get one towards the top. And we're going to work this one right in the middle of our greens. All right, so y'all, we're gonna work this one right underneath the bow. All right, y'all, and then this next flower is gonna go just a smidge below where the other one was. That way it extends the flowers down the grapevine just a little. Super simple, super pretty. All right, so y'all, we've got these two done. Let's make one more. Now, y'all, last step on every one, we're going to want to make sure we look at the back. And you're either going to cut off the pipe cleaner, that's extra. You're either going to tuck it in or cut it off. So I'm going to just tuck it in a little bit and put a little glue on it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look around the back and see if any of our stems are sticking out. See on the back, like right here, that stem is sticking out just a little bit further. We can't have that, y'all. We're going to have to get our cutters in there and just trim that down. It needs to be flat with the surface. All right. And if you can kind of see the edge, I need you to shoot just a little bit of super glue right on the edge of that flower stem. That way, if it does scratch someone's door, that glue is like a barrier between the metal and the door. Here is the white one. And then we have the pink one. All right, y'all. That's all I got for tonight. Good night, y'all.